Alright, in the last video we had made a Kml file here. Now in this video what we're going to do is we are going to go to a website that is GPS Visualizer SNDM elevation data to coordinates. We're going here because the Kml file we saved actually holds the location values of different points, but we do not know the elevation of those different points. So to add the elevation values in that Kml file, we need to come to this website here. Now from here we're going to have to choose a file here. So click on the choose file and then bring the file here. Alright, let's click on choose file. From there let's go to where our file is. There we go. Our file is in the Kml file. There we go. We're supposed to find DEM for WVIR. Open it. Now it is opened. Now we're going to convert and add elevation. Click on the convert and add elevation. Now it is converting it and adding elevation, and it is going to turn it into a GPX file. This may take a while because of my internet connection. Sorry about that. Alright, we're done. Now we just need to download the data here. Click on download. And we are done for this part. So I'll see you in the next part. Thank you very much for watching. If you have found the video to be useful, please like and consider subscribing to the channel, as it will enable me to make more videos like this one. Thank you.